बच्चे मन के सच्चे, बच्चे भगवान का रूप होते हैं। ये 2 एवरग्रीन डायलॉग्स हम बचपन से सुनते आ रहे हैं और पिछले 2-3 दिन से ना मेरा बहुत बच्चों से पाला पड़ रहा है। उनको देख के मुझे ये रियलाइज हुआ कि यार ये आजकल के कूल किड्स के सामने ना मेरा बचपन तो कुछ भी नहीं है। आज अगर छोटू प्राची इन बच्चों के सामने होती ना तो ये उसको कच्चा चबा देते, क्योंकि मैं मेरे चाइल्डहुड में एक्सट्रीमली इंट्रोवर्ट थी। आई नो यू गाइस वोंट बी बिलीविंग इट, क्योंकि अब मैं इतनी बकबक करती हूँ, और जो सच है वो सच है। तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना हमारे गेस्ट को उनके मिनी छोटू वर्जन से कनेक्ट करवाया जाए। एक ऐसी कॉन्वर्सेशन जहां हमारे गेस्ट बात करेंगे उनके चाइल्डहुड सेल्फ से। We'll drive them to a lane back to their memories and relive them. Here I welcome our guest for today, Miss Srishti Sharma. She is a debater, a writer who has won several writing competitions on platforms like Yakult and Instagram. She loves to perform poetry and is an aesthete, always open to any art form. Welcome to the show, Srishti.
Thank you so much, Prachi. It's a pleasure to be here. Thank you.
And congratulations on a debut podcast.
Thanks. It's all thanks to you.
So, सृष्टि, आज आपको मौका मिला है आपके चाइल्डहुड सेल्फ से बात करने का, तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप?
There are so many things जो मेरी छोटे सेल्फ को मैं बताना चाहती हूँ, just so that she can be happy and she can lead a better life, a better journey. But still that was part of the experience. तो मैं उसे बस इतना सा कहना चाहूँगी अभी फिलहाल के लिए कि don't be so spontaneous, don't expect so much, because these things actually come in the way of development. हम लोग बहुत ज्यादा एक्सपेक्ट कर लेते हैं और फिर वो चीज नहीं हो पाती है एंड देन वी गेट डिसअपॉइंटेड। तो मैं उससे यही कहना चाहूंगी कि एक्सपेक्टेशंस उतनी ही रख जितनी तुझे लगता है कि हाँ पूरी हो सकती है, उसके आगे सोचने का कोई सेंस भी नहीं है। सेकेंडली, आई टेल हर कि यू आर योर ओन बेस्ट फ्रेंड, बिकॉज आई रिमेम्बर व्हेन आई वाज यंग आई यूज्ड टू फाइंड फ्रेंड्स इन पीपल। आई वाज लाइक so devastated when people left me, because like I used to put all my energy and effort in friendship. And later I realized that, well, no, I should have put all that energy in myself, in my development, in my family. So that could have been a better thing for me, a better alternative. So yes, that is what I'd like to tell her, ki bro, focus on yourself, not on the people around you. And if you have a good aura, you have a good energy, you attract good people. So that is something you don't need to worry about. Plus, I would tell her that whatever she is doing, I'm very, very, very proud of her, because at very young age, she compiled an anthology where people were just, lazing off the Sundays. She worked hard for 6 months, put in effort, and yes, she did it. So I'd like to congratulate her on that.
That's amazing. Like hearing this, and you compiled an anthology on the age of 16. That's great.
Yes, I could not believe it myself, but yes, I did it.
Things happen in unexpectedly.
Yes, that is so true.
Also, I heard कि आपने बोला कि you were so much into your friends, like you used to put efforts.
Yes.
So that is true, क्योंकि बचपन में क्या रहता है हमको इतनी समझ नहीं रहती है, क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है, हम बस जो मन में आता कर देते हैं.
True. But the thing that has changed in me right now is कि अभी मैं सिर्फ उन पर्टिकुलर लोगों पे एफर्ट डालती हूँ जिन्हें लगता है कि yeah, they are worth it. I don't go on like going around putting efforts in random people I feel like I used to. So that is a big change I can see in myself over the years.
Exactly. People learn from their mistakes. So आपने सीखा कि बचपन में how they used to treat you after you putting the efforts. So now you learn कि नहीं, अभी जहाँ चीनी कम है वहाँ स्वाद नहीं आएगा.
Exactly, right.
Okay. तो आपके चाइल्डहुड सेल्फ से मैं ये पूछना चाहूंगी कि वो बचपन में क्या बनना चाहती थी?
Well, मेरी childhood self बहुत ज़्यादा indecisive थी. Even I am indecisive right now, but उससे कम थोड़ा. So what happened कि जब अपन छोटे होते हैं ना तो अपन सब लोग अपने अंदर चीजें इंस्टिल करते हैं. We are a mold and we are very what do we call it? अपन एक कच्चा घड़ा रहता है ना, तो अपन हर चीज से बहुत ज्यादा असर पड़ जाता है अपने ऊपर, राइट? सो दिस थिंग वाज इंस्टिल्ड इन माय माइंड कि बेटा व्हेन यू ग्रो अप यू हैव टू बी an RAS officer, an IAS officer, right? So when I was little, like when I was very little, I wanted to be a teacher like everybody else. क्योंकि हर बच्चे का सपना होता है कि बड़े होकर टीचर बनना है.
सही बात है.
So that was it. But then I got some sense and everybody instilled in me कि bro you want to be that. So like from 5th class to class 9th, I had it in my mind कि bro मुझे IAS ऑफिसर बनना है, मुझे RAS ऑफिसर बनना है, मुझे UPSC क्लियर करना है. But then when I got my real senses in class 9th and class 10th, I realized कि bro that is not something I want to end up with. I don't want some monotonous work. I want something adventurous. I want something where I can explore myself. And that's when I realized कि no, I don't want to do that. I want to go in a field where I can write, where I can speak boldly, where I can help people. So I choose to become to pursue the course of mass communication and journalism, so that would help me in future.
Okay. So आपने mention किया कि बचपन में आपको टीचर बनना था. So my story was कि when I was a kid, तो I used to think कि मुझे बड़े होके एयर होस्टेस बनना है. So that is again a dream of every girl child. क्योंकि ना वो glamour, that respect and everything they get. तो मेरे माइंड में था कि मुझे एयर होस्टेस बनना है. फिर धीरे धीरे I got a reality check. फिर पता चला कि नहीं, कि ये मेरे लिए नहीं है ये चीज़. फिर I cannot become a air hostess क्योंकि उसके लिए जो आपको you have to go through a stage, a phase where you have to face everything. The insults, the way they treat you like their servant and all. तो मेरे घर से भी बोला सबने हॉस्टेस नहीं बनना है, ये नहीं करना है, वो नहीं करना है. ये सब होता है उसमें. तो वो चेंज.
But still, if we had it in our minds कि नहीं बनना ही है, and वो thing अगर remain कर जाती है end तक कि बनना ही है, तो हो सकता है कि अपन वहाँ उस जगह पे end up कर जाए.
Yes, sure. But starting में ये रहता है ना कि पेरेंट्स भी बोलते हैं तभी बच्चा है तो कुछ भी बोलेगा, इसको क्या पता आगे जाके क्या होने वाला है, ये वो.
Yes, understandable.
Yes, so that thing came into me कि बड़े बोल रहे हैं तो शायद कुछ सोच समझ के बोल रहे होंगे. So that's where I came across IAS services like you mentioned. So I'm also an aspiring aspirant for civil services.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, so I was instilled for that and I changed, and you were instilled for something else and you changed to that.
Yes,
so that's
definitely. Exactly.
Yeah.
Also, like I mentioned कि बचपन में बहुत ज़्यादा इंट्रोवर्ट थी. मेरे फ्रेंड्स भी ज़्यादा नहीं थे. So I was in a bubble कि नहीं मैं बात ही नहीं करती थी किसी से. तो जब
that thing has never changed in my side. I have been the star of the family, the star of every function. Even in my old school, everyone remembers me till now. It's been 6 years, and when I go out, somebody just asks, "Are you Srishti Sharma from that XYZ school?" And I'm like, "Oh yes. How do you know?" He said, "Bro, I was your senior at that time." Or bro, I was your junior at that time. And I was like, oh my god, I'm so famous.
So you had that child image in your childhood only?
Even right now, I feel that I have that extrovertedness that helps me get along with people, in communication and everything. So yeah, and it's cool that you've converted in extrovert as well. You're speaking and you're speaking without any worries. You're speaking so freely. I like it so much. That's a very good part of you right now.
Well, I feel कि मेरे childhood self से और आज लाइक अगर मैं देखा जाऊँ तो वो दोनों एक कंप्लीट डिफरेंट पर्सनालिटीज हैं। तो मैं तो मेरी चाइल्डहुड सेल्फ को ये कहना चाहूंगी कि बहन तू बड़े होके अपने अलग ही वर्जन से मिलने वाली है।
She'll be surprised to see you right now. And she'll be happy.
इवन मेरे फैमिली में जो है रिलेटिव्स एंड ऑल दे आर सरप्राइज कि ये लाइक इतनी गुमसुम सी जो बच्ची थी वो आज इतना सब कुछ कर रही है, लाइक इतना लाइक आई एम एबल टू कनेक्ट विद पीपल नाउ. So
I understand that.
Yes, exactly. So that's the transformation I had through my journey.
Right.
And that came when that came very late, like when I was in my teenage, in my 13s. So that came very late, but I'm proud of that.
No, that's still very early, because even right now there are some people who are trying to get out of their shell and try out things. So it's never too late, I feel.
So it's a privilege for us that हमको जल्दी अकल आ गई.
Exactly. Even introverts are not even some of the introverts are really, really, really talented. They're just even it's fine to be an introvert as well. That's what I want to say.
Exactly.
It's perfectly fine.
True. Yes. ओके सृष्टि, मैं बोलूँ कि आप अपना चाइल्डहुड 3 वर्ड्स में डिस्क्राइब करें, तो व्हाट दे वुड बी?
So my 3 words would be secured, fun, and memorable.
Okay.
Because I feel कि there are so many people out there जिनका childhood secure नहीं होता है. They don't get the love they deserve, and some are even ill-treated when they are young, and that leaves a very bad impression on their mind, which when they grow up तो उनको बहुत ज़्यादा struggle करना पड़ता है with trust issues, with so many issues I cannot even imagine. So I am very, very, very thankful to God that my childhood was very secured. I got all the love and everything I ever needed. So that's something I should mention here.
True. And parenting also plays a vital role, क्योंकि आप बचपन में ही जितना अच्छा परवरिश करोगे बच्चे की, वही फिर आगे जाके उतना ही अच्छा रिजल्ट भी देता है.
Exactly, yes. And listening to this word parent, I got reminded of an incident I'd like to share.
Sure.
My mom and I have a very close connection. So मैं जब बहुत छोटी थी ना, तो अपन कानों में जब अपन बाली पहनते हैं तो उससे पहले अपन कान छिदवाते हैं.
Yes.
तो मेरे कान में एक इशू था कि मेरा जो छेद हो जाता था वो बंद हो जाता था कान का, राइट? सो आई हैड टू गो अगेन एंड डू दैट. सो व्हाट हैपेंड वाज आई वाज मेरे को बहुत ज्यादा पेन हो रहा था, बहुत ज्यादा, एंड मैं चिल्ला रही थी लिटरली, क्योंकि वो छेद हो नहीं रहा था कान में. एंड सीइंग मी माय मॉम फेंटेड. शी लिटरली फेंटेड देयर seeing me cry so much. And when I look back at it, I realized, oh my God, this woman has loved me so much for her entire life, and I'm so thankful for her.
That's so sweet. I remember ये जो कान छिदवाते हैं, that incident also happened with me. तो मेरे को एज तो नहीं याद मैं कितने साल की थी, but I was in Delhi at that time, and मुझे नहीं पता था मुझे कहाँ लेके जा रहे हैं. मेरे को बस हाथ में लॉलीपॉप पकड़ा दिया और बोल दिया चलो. सो आई वेंट विद माई मॉम एंड वहाँ पे मेरे को लेके गए, एंड दे आर होल्डिंग अ गन इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी. सो आई वाज लाइक ये क्या हो रहा है? एंड मॉम ने मेरी आईज बंद की, एंड उन्होंने फिर मेरे थ्रू दैट गन उन्होंने मेरे, इट वॉज लिटरली अ रिवॉल्वर. तो उस रिवॉल्वर से उन्होंने मेरे ईयर्स में पियर्सिंग की. तो उस टाइम पे आई वाज लाइक ये क्या हो गया मेरे साथ?
You must have imagined it as a revolver, because I know they look a little similar, that device and the gun, but still they are not the same.
Yeah, exactly, they are not the same, but अब छोटे बच्चे को नहीं पता होता कि क्या है, उसको तो रिवॉल्वर ही लगेगी. तो आई वाज लाइक क्या हो रहा है मेरे साथ?
राइट.
बट एट द सेम टाइम मेरे मॉम से सुना है काफ़ी मेरे बचपन के बारे में कि मैं बहुत पेशेंट थी, लाइक अभी भी हूँ बट थोड़ी कम. पेशेंस वो काफ़ी था मेरे ख्याल में, बिकॉज आई हैड अ सर्जरी एट द एज ऑफ 5 years. I guess I was for 5 years. So I had a surgery. तो उस सर्जरी में I had to go through 5 injections at a time. तो लेके गए मेरे को अंदर सर्जरी रूम में. I was alone. तो मम्मा भी नहीं थे, डॉक्टर थे मेरे साथ. तो डॉक्टर ने कहा कि थोड़ा सा ही पेन होगा एंड आप भी होश हो जाओगे. मैंने कहा ठीक है. तो 5 इंजेक्शंस मेरे एक साथ डॉक्टर ने लगाए एंड मैं बिल्कुल भी नहीं रोई. तो इट वाज लाइक कि वो डॉक्टर ने बाहर आके मम्मी को बोला आपकी बच्ची बहुत बहादुर है.
Yeah, that is very brave because I am scared of injections.
मैंने बहुत लोगों को देखा इंजेक्शन से डरा. तो पता मैं फिर वहाँ पे फ्लेक्स करती हूँ. हाँ, मैंने तो बचपन में 5 इंजेक्शन साथ में लिए हैं.
Flexing time, yes. Even I don't get back when I have something to flex about. Like मैं बहुत ज़्यादा flex कर सकती हूँ एक टाइम पे. Depends on with who I am.
Exactly. आप बस बात बोलो, फ्लेक्स करने के लिए हमारे पास.
हाँ, right.
तो आपकी चाइल्डहुड से कोई एक ऐसी चीज जो आप कैरी करके आए हो आगे तक?
Well, I would say that I am very spontaneous even right now. There are like 2 to 3 things I'd like to mention. First, innocence and kindness. I don't want to brag, but yes, I feel that I'm still as innocent and kind as I was 5 or 6 years back. Second, I'm more spontaneous now than I was back. Because like I take decisions in a click. If I don't like something, I'm not gonna keep it even if it's worth so much. But the thing is, I like to share something. When I was in class 4th, I started learning karate. Okay, and I got a green belt in that. Green belt is like a stage higher from the yellow belt. So these are like stages of karate. So I did that. I got to district. I got myself a gold medal and a silver medal. Okay, I did everything that I used to go there. I used to practice every day karate. But you know, in class 6, like after class 6, I left karate. I left it spontaneously because I was hurt. Like I was scared of getting myself hurt. I was literally so scared of getting myself hurt every day that I stopped doing it. And now when I look back at it, I feel कि नहीं यार, I should have continued. Because अगर मैंने continue किया होता, so I might have been at some greater level. I could have played nationals. Yeah. I could have made anybody proud about that. But I didn't. So I like to tell I'd like to put it up that I'd like to tell my past self, कि bro, don't be scared. Because you are going to get yourself hurt in a way or other. And physical hurt is not much compared to the mental hurt that you're going to face in the future when you face the real life.
True, exactly.
So that is something, I'm very spontaneous with decisions. One moment I like to do something, the other I'm bored. I try something else. So even on the other side of the coin, it is very helpful to realize that what I like in my life and what I don't. But at the another side is that it is a little harmful when it comes to very major decisions of the life. So yeah, that is something. I also started learning guitar and I was very excited about it. I flexed it in my college. I'll have this guitar skills. Everybody would dance on my tunes. And after some time, I got bored of it. I was like, no, I don't want to learn it anymore. Let it be. And now when I look back, I think, oh shit, I should have learned it. My brother is a rock star now. I wish I could have been like him. But then again, the story goes on and on like that.
Oh, so this thing also happens कि कोई चीज आप ज्यादा कर देते रहो, उसका फेम भी मिल जाता है, फिर वो बोरिंगनेस आ ही जाती है कि ये कॉमन चीज हो गई, अब कुछ और करते हैं.
Yes, but again, I'm very glad कि मैंने poetry लिखना नहीं छोड़ा, मैंने लिखना नहीं छोड़ा. Would you like to know how I started writing?
Definitely, you can share that.
Can you imagine that this thing came out from jealousy? Can you imagine that jealousy can put so much good things in someone's life?
Oh yes, I remember. There's a post also on Instagram, right, about this?
Yes.
Yes, I read that. It's wonderful.
Yes, my brother started writing and I was so jealous of him that he was getting all the attention. And right, I told you I was the star of the family, so I wanted attention. So I also started writing, and I didn't know that it will turn out this good, that I'll like compile my anthology one day, take part in several anthologies. I'm even planning to publish my poetry book someday. So let's hope on that ki ho jaye.
Definitely it will happen.
Yes.
So jealousy turns out to be good in a way or the other.
Yes.
That's like jealousy होती है ना, तो लोग तो यही सोचते हैं कि ये चिढ़ रहा है हमसे, ये whatever, बट उनको नहीं पता ना that we are doing it for some good reason.
Yeah, if it is done for a good reason, if they are working hard after the jealousy, then it is good. But if they're trying to pull the other person down because of the jealousy,
then it's the other way around. Definitely. So you have to choose which jealousy you want to have in you.
Exactly, and that is the personality of the person that defines it.
Yeah, exactly. So I heard that you pursued karate in your childhood, right?
Yes.
तो अभी जब फ्यूचर में कभी काम आए तो ऐसा कभी हुआ है कि आप कराटे कर रहे हो किसी के साथ जस्ट टू फाइट?
नो ब्रो, अभी तक ऐसा तो कोई इंसिडेंट आया नहीं है. प्लस दैट वाज लॉन्ग टाइम बैक. आई डोंट इवन थिंक कि मेरे पंचेस और मेरे किक्स सब इतने इफेक्टिव होंगे जितने उस टाइम पे हुआ करते थे, बिकॉज़ देयर इज नो प्रैक्टिस. सो हाँ, मे बी, बट स्टिल आई टेल माय लाइक चाइल्डहुड सेल्फ कि ब्रो, एटलीस्ट लर्न सम techniques that will save you from people. Because I remember, even as a child, I felt a little insecure when I went out of the house, even with my family, because there were eyes everywhere. Even as a child, I felt that. So now you can feel like वो कितना बढ़ चुका होगा, that thing about going out, being insecure, about returning home safe.
Yeah, that thing is always there in mind.
Yeah, that is like, I think वो हर गर्ल की लाइफ में होता है, भले वो बच्ची छोटी हो या वो बड़ी हो, they can feel that कि वो सेफ नहीं फील कर रहे हैं उस टाइम पर.
ट्रू. एंड ये चीज़ अगर चाइल्डहुड में ही सिखाई जाए ना, तो ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक एडवांटेज रहती है फ्यूचर में भी, कि नहीं हमको सेफली लाइक देख के चलना है कि हम कहाँ है.
राइट.
बिकॉज व्हेनेवर वी गो आउट अलोन, तो ये थिंग माइंड में रहती है कि अब क्या कभी कुछ हो ना जाए, ये ना हो जाए, वो ना हो जाए.
एंड दीज आर द मेन रीजंस जिसके लिए वो जो इक्वालिटी की बात अपन करते हैं ना कि बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स शुड बी इक्वल एंड दे शुड बी एबल टू डू एवरीथिंग, तो यहाँ पे वो डिफरेंस आ जाता है.
एग्जैक्टली.
इक्वालिटी दे तो दी, पर हम उसका यूज कैसे करें, क्योंकि हम खुद ही वहाँ पे सेफ नहीं है. तो दैट इज अ वेरी मेजर इशू, एंड उसके लिए तो अलग से पॉडकास्ट करना पड़ेगा, आई फील.
Definitely. Thank you for the topic. I'll surely do it.
Sure, no problem.
Okay. So thank you so much, Srishti, for this lovely and cutesy conversation.
Thank you for having me here. I literally had so much fun talking to my childhood self, reliving all those memories. Thanks to you. Thank you.
welcome. I wish you all the best for future and wish you आपकी book भी जल्दी से publish हो जाए and you write wonderful poetry and touch the sky in this field.
Sure.
It was lovely hosting you, Srishti. Hope you have a good day. And आपकी छोटू सी सृष्टि को भी मेरी तरफ से good wishes कि वो बड़ी होके इतना अच्छा काम कर रही है.
She's happy. She thanks you.
Okay. So say bye to our audience, please.
Bye, lovely audience. I'm really grateful that you heard me out till the end. Much love.
Okay, thank you so much, Srishti. Have a nice day.
You too. Bye.
आज के एपिसोड से तो मैं भी रिजुविनेट हो गई. वो सारी बचपन की यादें आज फिर से ताज़ा हो गई. Well, this is your host प्राची बारोट signing off. मिलते हैं 12 दिन बाद with another episode. तब तक के लिए GSC. Good times, sweet memories. Take care. Bye bye.